How to find liked videos on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And say, for example, I liked this video right here. And then I wanted to find this one amongst the other videos that I liked. All I need to do is click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And from the menu list, I will click on Settings. And from the Account Information section, click on Home Feed Tuner, and then click on History. And here you will be able to find all of your liked videos. However, keep in mind that your home feed is based on a lot of things such as boards, topic, and also the liked history. Meaning, if you liked a video, you will see more and more of those videos, and you can always turn it off so it will be just a liked video that you keep in your account history. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see your liked videos on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.